How to fix your Steam Remote Play Together not working. So if you want to fix your Steam Remote Play Together not working, then you just need to simply follow the steps. First, you need to update everything to make sure both your Steam client and the game are fully updated on both of your host and guest systems. If you're enrolled in Steam's beta client, then consider opting out and switching to the cable version or vice versa to test. Now, go and open up your Steam. Once inside your Steam, you need to just simply go with your settings, which will be in the top. Click on your Steam and then go with settings. Now, you need to click on remote play option and enable the remote play. Restart your Steam, then re-enable it. Disable the remote play and then restart your Steam and again enable it, and your problem might be fixed. After that, in Steam, you need to go with your remote play again and click on advanced client options and uncheck the enable hardware coding. Once done, you can restart your device or restart your Steam and your remote play will work together. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.